Amy, I need to confess something. I am so lazy when it comes to studying English.
Okay, Alex, join the club. Most people are. But guess what? Today's episode is actually made just for you.
Wait, really? A lesson for lazy people?
Exactly. It's called The Lazy Person's Guide to Fluent English. The rule is simple. Do the least amount of effort, but do it in the smartest way possible.
Okay, now you have my full attention. I'm listening very lazily.
Perfect attitude. So here's the first rule. Stop studying things you hate. If a textbook bores you to death, stop using it.
Wait, isn't that basically giving up?
Not at all. It's the opposite. If something feels boring, you won't stick with it. And consistency matters way more than intensity. A lazy person who enjoys their method will always beat a hard worker who quits after 2 weeks.
Okay, that's actually really comforting. So what should I use instead?
Use whatever you already love in your own language and just switch it to English. Love true crime shows? Watch true crime in English. Love football? Follow football channels in English.
Oh, so I don't need new hobbies, I just need to change the language of my old hobbies.
Exactly, Alex. Think of it like moving your favorite couch into a new room. Same comfort, same you, just a slightly different setting.
I love that. Okay, what's rule number 2?
Rule 2, and this one's my favorite, watch anything with English subtitles on, even shows in your own language.
Wait, my whole phone? Won't I get confused and lost?
For like one day, maybe, but you already know where every button and icon is. You use this phone every single day, so your brain quickly connects the English words to actions you already understand.
Oh, that's smart. I don't even have to study, I'm just using my phone the way I normally would.
Exactly. 0 extra time needed. It's lazy learning at its finest.
Okay, what's rule 3?
Rule 3, and this one's my favorite, watch anything with English subtitles on, even shows in your own language.
Wait, why would I need English subtitles for a show that's already in my language?
Because your eyes naturally read the words as you hear the sounds, even without trying. It's passive reading practice, without any extra effort. You're relaxing on the couch, and you're still learning.
Okay, this is genuinely the laziest study method I've ever heard, and I love it.
That's the whole point. Rule 4, stop translating word by word in your head.
Wait, isn't translating how we're supposed to learn?
It feels that way, but it's actually extra work and it slows you down. Instead, connect English words directly to pictures or feelings. Skip your first language completely.
Can you give an example?
Sure. When you see a dog, don't think of the word in your first language first. Just look at the dog and think dog directly in English. It feels strange at first, but it's actually less mental work over time, not more.
Oh, so skipping the translation step is actually the lazier option.
Exactly, Alex. Less steps, less effort, faster thinking.
Okay, what's rule 5?
Rule 5. Use voice messages instead of typing.
Wait, how does that help?
Typing takes time. You think about spelling, grammar, everything. But talking is faster and way less effort. Next time you want to text a friend who also speaks English, just send a voice message instead.
Oh, that's actually genius. Less typing, more speaking practice.
Exactly, and speaking practice is usually the part people avoid the most because it feels like the hardest part. This makes it feel small and easy.
Okay, any more rules before we wrap up? I feel like I could actually do this whole list without much effort.
One more. Rule 6. Follow English meme and joke accounts online.
Wait, memes count as studying now?
Absolutely. Memes use short, natural, everyday English, exactly how people actually talk. And because they're funny, your brain remembers them without even trying.
Oh, that's true. I still remember funny phrases from memes I saw years ago.
Exactly. Humor makes language stick. It's way more memorable than a boring textbook sentence.
Okay, I'm sold. Scrolling memes is officially English practice now.
In moderation, Alex, but yes, even 5 minutes of English memes a day adds real vocabulary over time.
Okay, I want to share something. Can I tell a quick story?
Please go ahead.
So, I have a friend named Marco, and he's honestly one of the laziest people I know. No offense to him.
I'm sure he'd agree.
He never opened a grammar book in his life, but he changed his phone to English, watched gaming videos in English every night before bed, since he loves gaming anyway, and texted his gamer friends using voice messages.
That sounds exactly like our lazy rules today.
Right? And after about 8 months, his English became so natural, way better than mine, even though I actually studied grammar books for years.
See, that's such a perfect example, Alex. Marco didn't work harder, he just removed the boring, effortful parts and kept only what felt easy and enjoyable.
That's honestly a little annoying, but also very inspiring.
I know, but here's the secret. Being lazy the smart way actually requires one thing: consistency. You don't need to work hard, but you do need to show up daily, even in these tiny, easy ways.
So laziness plus consistency equals real progress.
Exactly, Alex. That's the whole formula. And honestly, this approach works because it removes the pressure. When something feels heavy and difficult, our brains naturally avoid it.
That's so true. I avoid things that stress me out all the time, even good things.
We all do, but when a habit feels light and easy, almost like a treat instead of a task, your brain actually looks forward to it, and that's when real long-term progress happens.
So basically, the secret to fluency is making it not feel like work at all.
Exactly, Alex, you nailed it. Okay, everyone, here's today's lazy challenge. Pick just one rule from today. Phone language, subtitles, voice messages, whatever feels easiest, and try it today.
You don't need to do all 5. Just one small, easy change makes a real difference.
Subscribe for more simple, lazy-friendly English tips every single day.
See you in the next episode. Bye.